My YouTube journey started some years back when I started watching YouTube videos regularly. I was watching videos for various topics, including educational material for self-development, improvement of skills, or gaining new ones. Those were mostly topics related to computer skills, like spreadsheets in Excel, learning about different softwares, but also were including various other how-to topics, like establishing online business for e-commerce, dropshipping, trading, and so on. I was watching those merely out of curiosity to learn more about those and to apply where and if possible my learnings. On that time, I did not have any idea of having a YouTube channel. I was not even thinking of doing anything in social media. While on one hand exploring YouTube, I found in parallel a moment in my life during which I decided to give it a try to start writing a book. I mean, at least a short story. This was a project I have had in my mind for a long time, and I was postponing over years with excuses. Keeping in mind that everything is difficult until we start, I decided to start writing. In a slow pace, one page after another, I was able to write a short story up until page 7. I did not finish it. However, the experience I went through made me wonder how to share it with people and whether I could build on it further. Because I realized that in an era we are all in, the most impactful tangible product is actually the products provided in digital form. They help converting ideas, thoughts, dreams, visions, and experiences in a tangible form, consumable by people worldwide regardless of their location, so long there is an internet connection. Although one can say they are intangible assets, in my view, they are tangible and therefore concrete because we can see and find them in platforms, learn and be informed about those through sharing links. And with that, in 2023, I started my YouTube journey by publishing simple short-form contents. I had a very slow old PC, was not in hurry upgrading it because for the simple way I was on that time using internet, a smartphone or a tablet with basic functionalities was more than sufficient. I did not know anything about video making, editing, and importance of sound. Based on the views, reactions, and analytics results after each video, I tried to adapt the content and further improve. It was clear to me that I wanted a faceless channel, but I was not quite sure about the content and direction. I started watching more often YouTube videos about content making, video editing, and subscribed to various supporting tools, and in addition upgraded my PC. While I was focusing on building my skills, many things associated with content creation started to evolve very interestingly and in a short time as well. I guess you know now what I'm going to say. Yes, the artificial intelligence. AI opened many doors for small content creators like me, who at the beginning struggle in finding their niche and audience. It gave me more opportunities to make my search, improve my knowledge, test the limits of my skills, and discovering topics and ideas that I can associate myself with. And I came up with an approach. I decided that my YouTube journey should evolve with a beginner and amateur spirit in which it should give me opportunities to make my research, to learn more about topics, and to have a better understanding of the world and the universe I am in, and subsequently to make my videos based on my learnings and share those on YouTube. And soon after, I found out that history and wildlife animals would be best fitting for my purpose. With the idea to add more characteristic and to differentiate my channel with a personal touch, I started as well using avatars like the one you are watching now. By the way, please let me know in the comments section below what you think of this avatar, which is presented in a VTuber style. So that's in a sense what my channel is now about. Making research about historical events, historical persons from past, discovering wonderful wildlife animals, and learning more about them, have over time grown as a hobby for me. And it is all thanks to my YouTube journey. I am unfortunately not publishing regularly, but whenever I went through content making process and publishing the end product video on my YouTube channel, I enjoy it a lot. It is a deep, exciting inner feeling, knowing and to some extent hoping that someone somewhere in the world may find the content I'm sharing interesting and helpful. And with that, who knows, maybe it might help me in a humble way, adding value to our world and the society we are all in. Hope you find this content helpful, especially if you are thinking of starting your YouTube journey, or in case you have just recently started. I wish you good luck and success in your YouTube journey.